Yo, what's up, YouTube? Pretty fucking blaze, man. Yeah. My homeboy Lil Legit was talking shit to me. What am I doing? Smoking a bong without water and shit. What the fuck do you mean? So, I'm gonna make a video of some water. But I don't like my little bong with water because it be going in my mouth and stuff. So, I'm gonna try to make it a little bigger. And look, it seems to fit real perfect. I can't show you like this because it got water in because I don't want to go through all the hassle after I'm done. But I'm just gonna show you how easy it is to do it. So you just grab some duct tape, like oh sorry, water bottle, cut it over here. You know, I'm gonna put tape around here and do it like this. And put tape around it. I'm also gonna put this little plastic thing over my bowl piece because I don't want it after it's done. If I want to take it out, I don't want it to be all sticky and stuff. So I'm gonna do that real quick. Alright, now I'm gonna tape it with the duct tape. I already got a piece cut out and everything. Sonny was doing this. Oh my god, totally messed up right there. Put it halfway, right? I should put it halfway on that, and then halfway on this. We're getting something. It's not gonna look all that fly, 'cause it's homemade. I just want a longer. Right now, I don't got the money for it, so I want a longer phone. It's pretty long now. I still got one more step real quick. And that's to put a 5-ounce cup, made a hole on there, cause this mouthpiece is way too big for this, way too big. So I'm gonna put this on here and tape it. It's a 5-ounce, 5 ounce. I think this tape is too small, so I'm gonna have to cut another one real quick for the lady. That one's pretty long. Put my knife in there. Now again, I'm gonna put half here, half, maybe around a little bit. Just get it settled. And I'm gonna stick it over here. Little harder than I thought, but I'll get it. We're going somewhere. think was going somewhere good. So now I got this. Bro, pretty long now. Pretty long. I like it. I like it. Now, gotta make sure it hits perfect. See you guys later.